Hey guys, well it's Steve and I'm way over here on the other side of this nice little billabong here. I got another video today and it involves my Drifta Stockton awning that you would have seen my previous video. I want to just show you the wall kit. I spoke about it on the last video. I said I might get it. I've got the wall kit, so we're going to set it up. I'll get that intro out of the road and once that's over, we'll get into it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe while it's playing. Cheers guys, let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back. Like I was saying there before the intro, I've got another video today and it's on the wall kit for my Drifta Stockton awning. I've got Winnie with me here. Say hi Winnie. Hello, hello. Winnie's first time camping and it's our first time here. She's absolutely loved it. I've got another video coming about this place. This is Gucci Creek Escape. Down near that Tyro, so it's just off the Bruce Highway. It's a fantastic place, so make sure you check that video out. Winnie, do you want to help me put the awning up, or do you want to go chase those cows? Is that why that one was running around there a minute ago? Oh no, she's been asleep. She's been running around all over the place, absolutely loving it. Looks like she loves the camping. She loves the beers. I'll put a photo up what she was doing with one of my beers there last night. But we'll get into this video, and show you all about this new wall kit. Cheers guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Well, I've got the wall kit out. Comes in this great bag. You've got two walls in here, one for the side here, one for the back. They're all made down in the Drifta factory in New South Wales. Drifta Camping and 4-wheel drive. Says made in Australia there, and you got the little Australian logo down the bottom there. So if you're looking for these, just get on their website, check them out. You'll get all the pricing and everything off there. But like I said, there's two walls in there. I've been waiting to get these for a while. As you know, when I did the last video, I said I was thinking about getting the wall kit. I rung Rob up. We've been camping out here for the weekend. He bought them with him for me. So I'm setting them up for the first time. I'm going to show you what they're like, see how hard it is to do. So I'm going to set them up now. So let's get into it. And thanks very much for watching. Cheers, guys. Okay guys, let's get into it. I know if you've checked out my other video, you've seen how quick it was. So I thought I'll just show you again. It's not hard. Just undo these 4 clips. Grab hold of your cord here and walk around if any follows me. And you just come all the way around to the other side here and clip it up. Pull it tight and then see if you can, if you want to put this little leg up, which I always forget about, just put that up and that's it. How quick and easy is that? So I'm looking forward to showing you this wall kit. So we'll get into that next. Give you a look at them. My first time of putting them up, so we'll see how hard it is, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much, and if you got any questions, queries or comments, just leave them down below. Cheers, guys. Winnie, where are you? Stop eating that cow pat, dog. Bloody hell, look at this dog. If it's not kangaroo shit, it's cow pats. Oh, you smell bloody right. I'll throw you in that creek. Cheers, guys. Hey guys, well, I'm going to put the walls up now. Now, those of you who are keen and notice the video footage, you'll notice I'm in a different spot. I'm actually back home. I'm not far from my place, just a little park area. I lost some footage when I was recording there at Gucci Creek Escape. So I've just come down here to shoot the part that I lost, which was basically me just setting up the walls and showing you what I do. So we'll get into it now. I'll reset the walls up where I am now. A little bit of wind here, so we'll get into it. Now, what I normally do when I put the walls up, like I remember if on my other video, the awning, I said I put a little drink bloody cooler up there to stop it scratching on the door. Now I don't normally use these poles with this awning. I found I don't need to. It's really great in the wind. If it gets too windy, I just tie down the little strings down there. But with the awning walls, for my security and my safety, I'm going to put the poles up. So I've got 2 poles, and these are the 4-stage extension poles that Drifta do have. So I'm going to put one there, and I'm going to put another one just at the back here as well, just to hold this corner. So we'll get these set up. and then I can pull my little drink coaster out of there now. Now I'll grab my wall kit, because I got it back in the car because I'm in a different spot, and we'll shut that door. So we'll get these walls set up, eh? Now, like I was saying there earlier, or a few days ago, however you want to judge the video, 2 walls that come in the kit with the bag. Now I know more now about these because I said earlier I didn't know what grade canvas they were, but they're 6 ounce. They're quite light, and there's a front and a rear. So this is the side wall. It's got an S down on this corner over here. So I'll just show you that. So it's got an S down on the corner there. So you got your loop all on here and the hooks up on the awning. Now on this sidewall awning, which is the driver's side for my car, on one end you'll see here they've put some little tie down pieces. That's so that you can tie it up in the corner here to stop the Velcro from pulling off. I think that's a great idea. Now they haven't put it on this far side here. I don't know why. It probably would be better, I reckon, if it did have a bit of tie down stuff there. But so we'll get this one up. Get it around the right way. Now I did find you better starting in the corners and getting this tighter up to the corners and just pushing that in the corner as far as you can, and then it's just a matter of sticking the Velcro up. So we'll work our way along, pull it out. They're quite quick to put up, and you can see how long that took to put that one up. Now it's got this like little tie down loop here in the corner, like I said, so you can just wrap that around the pole or around the awning itself. The rear one is basically the same principle. So I've got to duck inside here now and stick this piece up. So I'll stick this along. I'm just running around the inside edge in here. I'll show you a little bit more once I get it all up, and we'll go for a bit of a walk around. Now over in the far corner here, you've got Velcro on this one, Velcro on this one. So it's just a matter now of sticking all this Velcro together all the way down. Now I found you're better off doing this all first before you try and peg anything out. Get this Velcro all stuck up all the way to the bottom, and then pull your walls out and put them down. So that's basically it there. I'll just grab this camera now and just show you those little tie down pieces in the corner here. So that's the ones I'm talking about there. You can tie that up to the awning up there or around your pole. There's another one down that side there, and it has got rear 270 written on there, right hand side. I think it did have an R on it somewhere. Like I said, see, it hasn't got the little loop around here, and I reckon if it did have another little eyelet, but what I might do is get a little alligator clip and just put on there just to hold that in, just to stop that from pulling. If it had a little bit of cord on there, you could tie it up to that or around the pole there. So maybe they might put another little bit of rope on that end there as well. But there you go there. We'll get on to the next part now. I'll get it all pegged out. Now, like I worked out from when I was down at Gucci Creek, start in the middle, pull these ones out, peg them down first, and then work your way along and pull it out and peg it out each way, and you'll find it a lot easier. So we'll cut back to Gucci Creek part of it now, and we'll show you the finished thing, and we'll go for a bit of a walk around the awning. Cheers, guys. Okay guys, I've got it all pegged out now, Took me a little bit of while to work out the best way to do it because I was getting a little bit of skew F in the walls. But that was because I was pegging one end down first and not the other. I started in the corner piece here and then worked my way out to the outside. I found that was the best way. Now, you can see there it makes a fairly big area. There's no windows or anything in these. They're just a solid wall. I don't know whether they have any plans to make any with screens in them. That would be something you would have to talk to Drifta about, but at the moment I think they're just the solid canvas. Like I said in my previous video, I love this on this system on my car. I've got my door there, which is protecting any rain sort of really blowing in there. I've left my gutter guard at home that I had for the back there, which would stop water coming down the back there if I wanted to. Have a look at that, like look at all the room you got there. Sorry if it's a little bit cloudy, it was just raining here a second ago too. So we'll walk in here, hopefully it doesn't go too dark. But you can see how much room around the car. You could throw a swag down here, a stretcher bed, anything, and you're fully protected. If you got a rooftop tent, even better. You could climb up there, and then you got all this room down here to have your tables, your chairs, cooking appliances, whatever. It really makes an already great awning even better, and you get an Aussie canvas made in Drifta down there in their factory in Gloucester in New South Wales. Now you have got little tie down straps here where you can pull these walls out. You got the ones on the roof there. Like I said, I just put the poles up just for the weight, help support the weight a little bit. Doesn't seem to be a problem. It looks fantastic. I'm really happy with it. I think it's just going to be great. And they're not heavy either. They're not a real heavy canvas. I don't know what grade they are. Maybe Rob can comment on the video and let us know what grade canvas they are. But I'm really happy with it. It'll come in great, and it really suits my vehicle, doesn't it? The grey's nearly exactly the same as the car. But should be great for our camping, and if we want to sort of have a little bit more of an area here, or if we are going somewhere and we just want to throw if I want to throw the swag in, like if we go to Cancuna again or somewhere where we're just camping out of the vehicle, I think this is a great awning. I had a mate who had a look at this awning. He was very skeptical. He was really particular about his awning. And he had a look at it there a few days ago, and he was really impressed with the quality of it. So I know he's a hard bloke to please, and he sort of gave it the thumbs up. So yeah, get into Drifta, any of their stores, and you can pick up all this gear and a bit of other stuff if you want to. But fantastic product. I think it's going to improve my camping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and like always, if you've got any questions, queries or comments, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Cheers guys, stay safe, be kind to each other, and I'll see you on the next one.